What if I told you that reaching net zero is actually cheaper than using fossil fuels? And I can prove it. Give me 2 seconds and I'll explain. Okay, so the UK's Climate Change Committee just released a brand new report, literally came out last week, and they put a number on this cost. They said that hitting net zero by 2050 would cost the British public £4 billion a year. Now that is less than the predicted cost of just one fossil fuel price shock, like the one we're experiencing right now. It's about £100 billion by 2050. But here's where it gets interesting, because that's about what it cost the UK when Russia invaded Ukraine and caused a massive fuel price shock. But hang on, we've been told the opposite, haven't we? We've been told renewables are too expensive, that our energy bills are going to rise. But this new data says that's not the case at all. In fact, it says sticking with fossil fuels, that's the real risk. The committee found that in a high carbon system, one which uses oil, energy bills would rise by 59%. But in its net zero pathway equivalent, they'd only rise by 4%, and there's more too. Even operating costs surge far more in fossil fuel heavy baselines, about 70% versus just 20% in the model using renewable energy. Now, obviously this is just in the UK, I accept that, that's where I'm from, that's why I'm making this video. Around the world, there is much more work to do, but the fact that we are having these conversations today in the UK is quite eye-opening. I'd love to know what you think about this in the comments. Let me know down below, I'm gonna read them all.